Customer Illuminated unfolds over 10 levels. Each level includes videos that teach tactics and templates for implementing those tactics. You're watching Level 1 right now. Level 1 introduces the framework we use to understand customers, evaluate business opportunities, and design a sound go-to-market strategy. We'll break down major business variables one at a time. Then we'll show how they fit together into one cohesive framework. We strongly recommend watching these videos in order, since the concepts build on one another. We use tight definitions for terms that entrepreneurs often use loosely, and our definitions can be kind of uncommon. It'd be good to watch these videos, even if you're familiar with the topics, to make sure we're all on the same page throughout the training program. If these concepts seem overwhelming, just let them wash over you. Don't worry about understanding every little detail. We'll use easy examples throughout the level, but there are 2 optional videos at the end that show how the same concepts apply to more complicated business scenarios. Level 1 usually takes less than 90 minutes to finish. Level 2 covers best practices for interviewing, how to run interviews, how to gather sound evidence, how to avoid confirming what you want to believe, etc. Level 3 shows how to schedule 30 to 100 interviews fast. We explain how to choose interviewees, how to find them, how to contact them, and how to convert those contacts into booked interviews. Interviews start in Level 4. One of our friends calls this type of interviewing the cocktail party. We spend a short amount of time learning from a broad spectrum of customers to learn who would be the ideal customers for your business. An interview guide is a series of questions that standardizes the process. We provide an interview guide template that's tailored for Level 4's interviews specifically. Level 5 shows how to analyze those interviews to identify attractive business opportunities. An analysis guide makes it easy to pull insights from interview notes, so we provide an analysis guide for Level 5. You'll use evidence to target the types of customers who are most beneficial to interview in the future, and eventually, who will be the most strategic types of customers to target with sales. Often by Level 5, you know enough to kill a product that's bound to fail, so we lay out guidelines for evaluating the business itself. Level 6 uses a second targeted round of interviews to follow the problem your product will solve to its core. Often, customers can't articulate their own problems. They might not know what's causing their frustration, but by the end of Level 6, you'll know. You'll know why the problem exists, why it's painful, why it pops up in some contexts and not others. These interviews also uncover the true nature of your competition, which is often very different than what founders guess in the absence of evidence. Then you'll use Level 7's analysis guide to analyze those interviews. You'll understand what motivates customers to buy, functionally, socially, and psychologically. You'll know how to explain your product's value in language they would use themselves. And you'll use evidence to plot attacks on the true competition. You'll position the product in customers' minds, so their decision to purchase is easy, and you'll avoid attacking competition that can crush you. Level 7 raises new red flags about products that are bound to fail, so we lay out additional guidelines for evaluating the business at this stage. Level 8 uses a third round of interviews to collect critical information about product requirements, sales tactics, and pricing, about core features and customers' hidden expectations. We show how to use Level 9's analysis guide to interpret Level 8's interviews, and start engineering a sound business from the ground up, so every building block slots right into what customers want. You'll know enough at this point to spec out a best-selling product, complete with required features, sales tactics, a smooth purchasing process, and a pricing strategy that maximizes profit and incentivizes beneficial customer behavior. And then you build that product, or adapt an existing product to match the evidence. Level 9 offers the clearest chance yet to abandon products that are bound to fail, so we provide one final set of guidelines to evaluate the opportunity. Level 10 ties everything together. We explain how to use the framework from Level 1 and the facts from all other levels to create a tactical, flexible, go-to-market action plan. That plan aligns all business decisions with customer needs, so everything from product development to sales stems from one source of truth: what customers want. We'll make glossy presentations for our commercial product, but we're focused on making Customer Illuminated useful and easy first. Then we'll make it beautiful. That's why there's a discount for beta. Please let us know if anything's unclear along the way. Office hours are unlimited during beta. Text, call, email, schedule office hours to video chat, whatever you need. We're here to help. Our contact information is listed in the next lesson. Let's get started.